Oh, I love looking at you. Yes, I do. Yes, I could stare at you all day long. You're gonna give me your back? Just like that? I don't want to look at your back. I want to look at your face. Hey, you. I'm talking to you. Hey, mister. Mister. Hey. I don't want to stare at your back. I want to stare at your beautiful face. Yeah. It's windy out here. Yeah, it's starting to get chilly out here. I guess he's not going to look at me anymore. Hey, over here. I want to get your face. Hey. Filming cats isn't easy, let me tell you.